some other things that we have noted, both in the work that we've done with you and with others around the country with their forages, is that we have certainly seen that we've had an increased level in Brix, or that nutrient density in our forages. How important is that to you as a cattle producer in looking at having forages that are basically more nutrient dense, more power packed? What does that mean to you?
Well, that's what it's all about. Growing a grass, growing a forage that the animal can get the most from. So, and that's the whole gist. Just like some of the, we did some hay samples here on some traps that were commercial fertilized and traps that had SumaGrow. And the SumaGrow consistently ran about 1% higher in protein than did the traps that we use commercial fertilizer.
So that's exactly what we've been noting in a number of other trials, and as you're aware, we have done some trials, particularly at a couple of universities, where we have noted a significant increase in average daily gain in the cattle that were grazing the SumaGrow treated pastures versus those that were grazing the commercially fertilized. So that sort of backs up what you're talking about, that we have actually seen the better daily performance out of the cattle when we have a higher Brix level.
Absolutely. You want all the power in every mouthful of grass that cow gets, and that's what the game's about.